Today we'll see DAA in 8086. The instruction DAA stands for decimal adjust after addition. So this instruction is used to convert the result of the addition of two packed BCD numbers to a valid BCD number, and the result should be in the AL register if the lower order nibble is greater than 9 after the addition, or the auxiliary flag is set, then we need to add the value 06 to the lower order nibble in the AL register. And if the upper nibble of the AL register is greater than 9, or the carry flag, which is CF, is set, then we need to add 60H to the AL register. Let's see the operation of DAA instruction. So these are the conditions. If lower order nibble of the AL register is greater than 9, or the AF flag is 1, then we need to add 6H to the AL register. And if the higher order nibble is greater than 9, or the carry flag is 1, then we need to add 60H to the AL register. If both the conditions are true, then we need to add 66H to the register. We'll see some examples. So I'm taking the first value, so which is 35H, to the AL register, and the second value, which is 47, I took into the BL register, and I will add both the numbers 35 and 47. So if we do the normal addition, so the answer is 82, but the computer is doing hexadecimal addition. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So it is taking C as the answer, and 4 plus 3, so it is 7. So according to the hexadecimal addition, so it is correct, but we need to convert into the decimal. So if you observe, so in this section, so 1 plus 1, so it is 0 and carry 1, and 1 plus 1 again 0 and carry 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it is 1 1. Again 1 plus 0 plus 0, so it is 1. And here 1 plus 0, it is 1, and 1 plus 0, 1, and 0 plus 1, 1, and 0 plus 0, it is 0. So if you observe the lower order nibble, the value is greater than 9. So I will execute the DAA instruction. So according to the DAA, the lower order nibble is greater than 9. So in this case, I need to add 6H to the lower order nibble. So after adding, so 0 plus 0, it is 0, and 0 plus 1, it is 1, and 1 plus 1, it is 0 and carry 1, and 1 plus 1, it is 0. So it is giving carry to the higher order nibble, and 1 plus 1, it is 0 and carry 1. Again 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, and 1 plus 1, 0 and carry 1, and 1 plus 0, so it is 0. So after executing the DA, so I'm getting the decimal value, so which is 82H. So DA will convert the hexadecimal number to the decimal number in addition.
Another example. So here I'm taking 99 to the AL register and taking 99 to the BL register. So the binary form of 99 is 1001 and 1001, and I will add both the values, add AL comma BL, So the answer is 32H. So 1 plus 1, 0 and carry 1, and 1 plus 0, 1, and 0 plus 0, it is 0, and 1 plus 1, 0, and it is giving carry to the higher nibble, and 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 1, and 1 plus 0, 1, and 0 plus 0, it is 0, and 1 plus 1, sum is 0, and carry will be 1. So in this, we are getting auxiliary flag as 1 and carry flag as 1. So according to the DAA, if both the flags are 1, then I need to add 66H to the AL register. So if I add 66H, the answer will be 98H. So the normal addition of 99 plus 99 is 198. So in this, the 99 will be the sum and carry will be the 1. So the program for BCD addition dot model small indicates I can use 64 KB of data segment and 64 KB of code segment, and dot stack is the initialization of stack segment, and dot code beginning of the code segment. So move AL, 99H, I'm taking the immediate data to the AL register, and move BL, 99H, I'm taking the immediate data to the BL register, and add AL, BL. So here after adding, the sum will be in the AL register, and I will execute the DAA. After that, the termination statements move AH, 4CH and N21H and end.